Assalamu alaikum students, this is Miss Warda here again with another letter and another sound and another more interesting activities. So let's start the day and the letter lesson with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. First of all, we are going to sing a poem together, and the poem is Bat and Ball, Bat and Ball. Playing with the bat, b b b. Playing with the bat, b b b. So here we have used the sound of b, bat and ball. Playing with the bat, b b b. Okay, now we have some objects on the screen. And can you tell me which animal is this? It's really easy. Yes, it's a bear. And what is this? Box. And this is a yummiest fruit जो कि सब खाते हैं और सबको पता भी होगा. So what is this? Banana. Yes. Let's revise the sounds. B bear, b box, b banana. One more time. B bear, b box, b banana. So we have learned the sound of b. All the objects on the screen are starting with the sound of b. Okay, further we have a story that I am going to read in front of you. So what is the story? A bright sunny day after school. Some boys were playing with a ball in the school's playground. Babar was sitting on a bench watching them playing and eating his biscuits. He was waiting for his bus to go home. One of the boys kicked the ball so hard that it flew past the school gate and hit a bee that lived on a tree. Bees were disturbed and angry. The boys went near the tree to get the ball, but the bees were everywhere. Babar was so scared of the bees that he hid himself behind the bench and covered his face with his school bag. The boys ran away as far as they could and left their ball and bags behind. After a few minutes, the bus came and Babar quickly jumped inside the bus and went home. Okay, so that was an interesting story where Babar was scared of the bees because the boys has hit that bees hive और bee hive disturb हो गया था जिसकी वजह से Babar जो था was really scared because the bees were everywhere. So in the story we have learned and focused on the sound of b. Okay, moving on, we have some more objects on the screen. So can you tell me which object is this? हम इसे खेलते भी हैं. Yes, it's a bat. And what cute insect is this? It's a bee. Yes, ये वो वाली bee है जिसकी हम story पढ़ रहे थे अभी. And what is this? It's a ball. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the words with the sounds. B bat, b bee, b ball. One more time. Bat, bee, ball. Okay, now we have further some activities. I am going to perform this bee activity in front of you. So what is this activity? It's actually this. I have already made this. We are going to make a letter B, B. And for this you will be needing a cutout of bee with the wings. मैंने इसके wings भी काटे हैं. And I have some strips of the yellow color of letter B जो मैं इसके ऊपर paste करूँगी letter B पे. And I have also made antennas. Okay, what you are going to do, You need to do it there and I'm doing it here. हम लोग ये वाली जो strips हैं इस पे paste कर देंगे so that we can get this shape. Okay, so you people need to paste these strips here on the B. देखिए मैं कुछ strips आपके सामने paste कर देती हूँ, बाकी आप लोग खुद करेंगे. Okay, I have pasted a few of them in front of you. ओके मैंने कुछ आपके सामने पेस्ट कर दी हैं, वो भी इरेगुलर तरीके से. यू कैन डू इट ऑन योर ओन जिस तरह आप चाहें, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज क्रेयॉन्स यू कैन ऐड द डिटेलिंग ओवर हेयर. थोड़े बहुत आप कलर कर सकते हैं लाइट कलर से. सो वी आर डन विद दिस एक्टिविटी. फॉर दिस हैंड एक्टिविटी, हैंड प्रिंटिंग, what you need to do, just take the paint in a plate, अपने हाथ उसमें dip करें and just paste those hands on a paper like this, ताकि एक butterfly की shape बन जाए, and then draw these antennas and butterfly is ready. So these were the activities that you people can do at home for the letter B. Now we are going to learn how to write letter B. So the word that we have learned today is letter B with the sound of B. Now next we are going to trace the letter B on the book. So first of all we need to do with the index finger, the tracing. Just trace it straight line, and then from the middle of the straight line we are going to make the curve. It's B. Now with the pencil or the color or with the index finger you need to trace this, and also color this letter B with your favorite crayon, and along with that practice the sound B. B ball, B bat, B butterfly. Okay, so we have also learned, you people can do this work on the workbook. ये सारा काम वहाँ पे given है, so you can practice over there. We have done the activity, we have learned the sound in the poem and the story as well, and that was all from my side. Thank you so much for the time, and I will be there with another letter. Allah Hafiz.